You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase, this name, once and for all correctly. A name from Cambodia, and it's a mix between the local language and French, because this part of the world was occupied by the French. It was a French colony. Khmer Rouge. French pronunciation is Khmer Rouge. Khmer Rouge. In English, similarly, how to pronounce English pronunciation, Khmer Rouge. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.